Hey guys, it's your boy K/TheBunkaboos, and it's Friday night. Friday night. Okay, that was just from a video, so I'll put it in the video, but it's super funny. So, today, we are going camping. Maybe I'll get to use my camera that I got for the GoPro. And then, so, and can you be quiet? I'm trying to film, like, Ollie. Okay, now that they're gone, yeah, we're going camping. We're gonna survive. Still got stickers from the bank. If you saw that vlog. And I have to post. Sorry I didn't post the vlog that I did yesterday yet. It just I was super tired and had no time. So I guess I'll see you at the campground. Here's the Friday night video.
I was working all week, nothing excited. I was waiting all week, so boring. But tonight I'll go out because it's Friday night.
Yes, I love it.
I wanna keep moving all night. I wanna dance all night. And I wanna drink all night. And I wanna party all night. And I wanna enjoy this night because it's Friday night. Everybody hands up. Alright. Friday night. I'm waiting on you to come closer because tonight we party till the morning light. I'll buy you a couple shots and couple drinks, then dancing all night long, kissing you non-stop. That's all I want because it's Friday night. More dry ice. More dry ice. Friday night. Simon. It's amazing. You've never seen Simon dance at all. Friday night.
Burn! Yes! Yes! Woo! Feel the burn!
Friday night.
Friday night! Friday night!
Hey guys, we're at our campsite. Sorry about the wind. It's like really windy here. There's where our camp right there. Right over there. You can play in. And then what's cool about this lake? Oh, there's our dad. And then what's cool about this lake is that it's kind of like a beach. And there's stairs that go down. We're supposed to have some people coming with us. So see y'all one day. We put our tent up, but we have a problem. So when the wind blows, it's like goes down because the wind's way too strong. So like when you're inside, it just collapses on you. So it's kind of, see that wall, it just collapses. And it's just messed up. So, see y'all later. Okay, guys, everybody's here. We're hooking up our fishing rods and we're gonna go fishing. So I'll show y'all some of the fish if we catch some. So see y'all fishing. So we're out here fishing. Everybody's here, but there's just, yes, it's TheBunkaboos, but the fish aren't biting right now. So I'll see y'all if one does bite. Hey guys, we're done fishing. There's no fish biting. I'm here at Marley. Oh, hello. Say hi, Marley.
Hi.
How old are you?
I'm 5.
No, she's 3. You're 3?
Yeah, I'm 3.
She's 3. I'm here with my sister Chelsea.
Hi.
We're about to eat some hot dogs.
Yep.
Yeah, and hamburgers.
You want to be in a vlog?
CJ.
Let me in. Okay, come on in, boy.
Okay, see y'all when we have our food. Okay, we're just eating here. We just just ate hot dogs, ate hamburgers. CJ wants me to come and get him, so I am.
Come and get me. Come and get me.
I am gonna get you.
Hi.
There's CJ.
Hi.
CJ, say hi.
Hola.
Well,
I'm gonna kill you.
well,
See y'all
hey
later.
guys. Those are our tents over there. I'm just playing some football because later tonight we're gonna do some night fishing for some cats. Catfish, if you don't know what cats are. And we're gonna bring like the lanterns down. We're gonna have some fun. I'll show you all that. Trying to survive out here in the wild. I can barely. Oh, there's cars. Okay, just kidding. Those are just where all our cars are parked. But I'm trying to survive. There's the woods back there. There's the lake. So see ya when we're fishing. We're lighting the fire.
That Duralock ought to do it. And I got some
Oh,
some fire starter sticks over there too. But this all yeah.
Well, this wood was pretty dry.
Yeah, it's pretty dry.
Yay.
Yay.
Happy birthday.
What?
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
CJ, what happened to your
birthday.
flashlight?
Sorry about the bad lighting. But we just lit the fire, so that means we're officially camping. See ya when we're fishing. I got the s'more. Having fun. Still surviving. We're gonna go fishing soon, so see y'all there. Hey guys, I'm fishing right now. Got my rod right here. Y'all probably can't see it, but it's right here. There's my rod. I'm fishing out here in Lake Lavon. If anything bites, I'll get it on film, but I'm just sitting here waiting. Pretty tired. So I'm barely surviving right now. So if I'm not back in 5 days, send help. Bye. Hey guys, I'm still surviving. I'm getting ready for bed. I'm almost starving to death. So, see y'all in the morning. See y'all in the morning. Hey guys, so I'm done camping now, and I had fun. I barely survived. Like one night I was starving to death. So, yeah. But I survived. And don't forget to subscribe, because at 100 subs, we're going to do something special. So, see y'all later, booses.
2, 3.
So awesome.